Hi, I'm CJ from Tilton's Heritage Pastures.
So CJ's inside cleaning out the chicken coop. We like to use shavings as the bedding, and we'll put some of that in the nesting boxes, and we add probably about a 30 to 40 gallon wood chips down as we're getting ready to winterize the coops for the fall and winter. We will take you along on a separate video on how we winterize our coops. But here's a good example of how we keep our coops. You can see our nesting bars are round, and we actually cover them with rope. Vets recommend that we cover the bars in rope, and it really helps the foot care of all of our birds. We put about a 30 to 40 gallon garbage can full of shavings into the coop every so often. No set interval. We just keep an eye on the condition. Now you can see these chips, right? Now as the deep bedding breaks down, it absorbs any ammonia or any other toxic properties of the waste. The end result of that is an extremely good mulch, fertilizer, whatever you want to call it. So this is what the manure and this is what the chips break down to be. And there's absolutely no smell to it at all. And you can see it goes from the wood chips to a fine powder that we can spread around our plants. And a lot of people, you can see, if you come back over here, you can see here's the chips that we put down. You can see those are full, fluffy, pretty robust chips. And as that deep bedding sits, it breaks down, it absorbs a lot of the manure that's being spread. And as it does that, there's absolutely no smell to it. It's a great way to keep your coops and to keep your coops fresh. It's also a great way to fertilize and take care of your plants. Now we have our high tunnel that we finally got up late in the season. We were able to transfer some peppers out of the garden into the high tunnel. And what we're going to do is take some of that fertilizer, some of that wood chips or clean out or compost, whatever you want to call it, mulch, and we're going to put that around those pepper plants. Again, a lot of people think that might be too hot, but as it decomposes and because it has that wood in it, it's not too hot, and it really does a great job fertilizing those plants. And we'll take you inside and let you see how that works. It is Halloween in October here in northern Maine, and this is why we have our high tunnel. As you can see, these pepper plants are extremely healthy. We were able to get our high tunnel up late in the season, and these pepper plants were actually in our garden, and we removed them just before frost and brought them up here to the high tunnel. We just mulched a little bit around them this morning, and As you can see, they're happy and healthy, and you can see all those buds. See, that guy in the back actually has nice pepper on it. And we'll keep you posted. We'd like to see if we can make it possibly towards Thanksgiving. We may fall a little short of that mark, but it'd be interesting to see how much the high tunnel actually extends our season here in northern Maine. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe.